welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, this is Shreya. I make videos related to makeup, skincare and fashion. So please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to share with you all a huge makeup haul. And I have been collecting all these products for so long, over past few months, and you won't believe me, I have spent almost 20k, yes 20k on all these products just to share these amazing products with you all. So without further delay, let's straight move into the video. So the first product is a palette. It's the famous Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette. From inside it looks like this. I hope you guys know that how much I love palettes. Even अगर उस palette के shades same भी हो, फिर भी मैं different kinds के palettes खरीदती हूँ because I really love palettes. Okay, so I purchased this palette for 4700 from an Instagram page. मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उस पेज का लिंक ज़रूर दे दूँगी, और मैं उसके साथ और भी कुछ पेजेस के लिंक दे दूँगी जहाँ से आप लोग ऑथेंटिक इंटरनेशनल प्रोडक्ट्स परचेज कर सकते हो. Okay, so I wanted to grab this palette for so long, and finally it's here in my hand. And don't worry, I will try to share individual reviews of each and every product I am going to show you all in this video, so stay tuned for that. So the next products are from Colourpop Cosmetics. Here I have a little palette. It's a Cherry Crush Colourpop palette. From inside it looks like this. And then I have a liquid serum based blush, cheek dew blush. This shade is very much stunning. And next I have a lip liner set. It's from Colourpop. Here I have all the nude shades. Because mostly I use the nude lipsticks, so इसीलिए मैंने lip liners भी सारे nude shades के ही लिए हैं. I bought this palette for 1450 including shipping, and this one for 1200, and this entire set is for 1890 including shipping. The next product is a palette. It's from Juvia's, and this is the palette. From inside it looks like this. I mean, look at this packaging, it's so much good, and I'm so in love with this yellow shade. This shade is so much good, and the pigmentation of this palette is really awesome. And I bought it for 1500 including shipping from an Instagram page. I will share the page's link below in the description box. I have a set of brush, and it's from Morphe Jacqueline Hill. So this is a set of 8 brushes. These brushes are really good, and it comes with a little cute bag which is very much attractive for me. And I bought it from Nykaa because you all know कि Nykaa पे भी Morphe आ गया है अभी. तो I bought it for 3700. I think it's a quite little bit pricey because 8 brushes for 3700, but it's okay because obviously it's Morphe and I love Morphe. So yeah. Next I have Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb Baby Mini Set. It comes with a highlighter, a mini highlighter and a mini lip gloss. I wanted to grab this for so long, and finally it's here in my hand. And the highlighter shade is so much stunning. I am definitely going to share an individual review of this particular product, and I bought it for 2500. Next I have a face palette. It's from You Can Be. It has all the beautiful colors जिससे आप लोग creative makeups कर सकते हो. And I have already started using this because Halloween day is coming, and I can't stop myself using this palette because I have to create creative, beautiful, scary looks. So stay tuned for the Halloween day post. I bought it for around 1700. Next I have few products from Morphe. All these products are palettes obviously. And also I have ordered more two palettes. So one is James Charles and another one is Morphe Jacqueline Heel Wall 2 eyeshadow palette. दोनों पैलेट ऑर्डर दिया है बट वो अभी ट्रांजिट में है, मुझे अभी तक नहीं मिला है पैलेट, तो इसीलिए मैं शो नहीं कर पाऊँगी. लेकिन आप लोग अगर चाहते हो उस पैलेट्स के रिव्यू या फिर मुझे कब मिलते हैं तो यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. मैं वहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्टिव हूँ, तो मैं वहाँ पे स्टोरी डाल दूँगी. आप लोग मुझे वहाँ पे फॉलो कर सकते हो और डेली अपडेट्स भी ले सकते हो. Here I have a face palette. It's a Morphe 8R palette. From inside it looks like this. It has blusher, highlighter and bronzer shades here, and I bought it for 2500. Then I have this cute Chochusa palette. It's a face palette. It has bronzer and blusher. This blusher is some kind of shimmery, and this is a matte blusher. It's Morphe Blushing Babes palette, and I bought it for 1250, and I think it's quite budget friendly obviously, and travel friendly as well. Then I have Morphe X Avenue palette. This palette is so much stunning. From inside it looks like this. It has some stunning shades like brown, all that, and also it has some shimmery shades and some glittery shades, and these are the color eyeliner. थोड़ा सा आप लोग अगर वाटर यूज़ करोगे और थिन ब्रश के हेल्प से you can draw different kind of color liners with this. So, and it's I bought it for 3200 from an Instagram page, and I think it's quite worth it because it has the color liners as well. Next I have a setting spray for Morphe. It's continuous setting mist. It helps me a lot to set my makeup for so long. I am so in love with this setting spray, and I bought it for 1300. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I know I didn't share any details of each and every product because I am going to share individual review of each and every product on my next upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that obviously. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दो मेरे चैनल को, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस अ बेल आइकन, क्योंकि मैं फ्रीक्वेंटली वीडियोस पोस्ट करती हूँ तो आप लोगों को नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे. I hope you all have enjoyed today's video. Then please do like this video, comment below and share this video with your friends and relatives. And I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, bye bye. See you in my next video.